Good afternoon. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Jelemy. How may I assist you today?
Hello, my name is George Bookman. I'm calling regarding to the complaint letter my wife Adele Bookman sent to your company a few weeks ago.
I'd be happy to help you with that. May I please have the reference number or account details related to the letter?
So the reference number is 478596. It's regarding our cell phone plan registered under both my name and my wife's.
So reference number is 478596. So thank you for that. So let me pull you up your account right away. Okay, so I have it here. I see that the letter from Mrs. Brookman. What do you want me to do with this, sir? Do you want to
Well, to be honest, we have an absolutely awful month. My wife was involved in a serious car accident and she's currently in the hospital with broken legs. She hasn't been able to follow up with this matter herself, so I'm calling on her behalf.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Mr. Brookman. That must be incredibly difficult for both of you. I hope for her fast recovery.
Uh, Thank you, I really appreciate that. Given everything that's happening, I don't have time to go through all these details right now. Could you please just summarize what is our main concern with your company as stated in the letter?
Of course, sir. So I understand completely. To summarize this, so the main issue here is regarding the extra charges on your bill. You are on the zero times zero cost plan, which includes 300 minutes for voice time and 130 time text per month for about $45 with a $25 penalty per month if limits are exceeded.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so last month you used exceeded the limits. You went over by 50 minutes of voice time and 120 text. As a result, an extra penalty amount was added, bringing to the total bill to $90.
Yes, right, I see.
Okay, Mrs. Brookman contacted customer service about this, but she couldn't find any mention of the specific extra penalty policy in her original account or contract. She was told it's a new policy, but she was never informed about it before the charges were applied. She also mentioned that the amount was um, automatically deducted from her bank account, and she is requesting an immediate refund of $20 as she believes it is unethical to change policy without notifying customer first.
Exactly, that sums it perfectly. We just want to make sure this understood and that the refund is processed as requested.
Okay, I completely understand your concern, Mr. Brookman. This is definitely something we need to look into properly. I will make note for your call and ensure that the relevant department review this case immediately. We will process the refund as requested within 10-day period mentioned in the letter, and we will also look into why the policy changes wasn't communicated to you.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Thank you very much. That's all I need to know for now. I just wanted a clear summary since we're going through so much right now.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. So please don't worry. We will handle this promptly and keep you updated. Once again, I wish your wife a very quick recovery. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you again for your understanding and help.
Okay, it's my pleasure, Mr. Goodman. So thank you for calling and take care. Goodbye.